Here's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.